I'm announcing my hiatus from YouTube. I was making another martial arts compilation video, but didn't turn out right, so I just gave up on it. I would like to apologize to my audience for not releasing videos frequently, but I'm going to take a break from YouTube and video editing. I'll take a break until November or so to blow off some steam. I want to concentrate on something in my real life and put my focus on it. Until then, no more videos. However, I would like to report on the second little channel I made that features only Freddy Lee videos. It's a failure. It's called Freddy's Modern Kung Fu Fail, and I was hoping that my videos about that piece of crap fraud coward would pop up again as the first videos when searching about his fraudulent school. It's been a ride, really, so far, but oh well. Once I come back from my hiatus, I would like to begin videos on profiling ninjutsu frauds. Martial arts and fighting tends to attract very strange individuals, but ninjutsu seems to attract the very worst of them. Some are even violent criminals. The list I have so far on the ninja frauds are Frank Dux, Ashita Kim, Greg Park, also known as Chozu Ninja, Ron Collins, Krista Jacobson, Lee Maurer, Stephen K. Hayes, and even Masaki Hatsumi. There might be more fake ninjas, and I would like to ask for your help by providing any info on fake ninjas and ninjutsu in general. I would like to know if anyone knows more eccentric people like Dion Smo, Charles Wofford, Tyrese Nee, etc., and other martial arts frauds. Well, this is it. I'd like to say goodbye to everyone, and thank you all for supporting my channel and commenting on my videos. I made some good friends and acquaintances on YouTube that I will be very thankful for. Until then, peace.